In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send remittance advice in Xero. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Xero's website. You can do this by typing Xero into your search engine and selecting the result labeled Xero, accounting software for small businesses. Once the Xero homepage loads, you're going to need to log in. So look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the Login button. If you've been here before, simply enter your login credentials to access your account. For those who are newer to the platform, make sure you have your username and password handy so you can proceed smoothly. After successfully logging into Xero, your next stop will be the Purchases section. This is where you'll find all of your expense-related transactions. Look for the Purchases tab located on the dashboard or in the navigation menu, and give it a click. This will open up a list of various purchasing options. Now, with the Purchases tab open, you'll want to click on Bills. Here's where you can view all of the bills you've entered into the system. Carefully scan the list and locate the bill that you've already paid, which is crucial for sending remittance advice linked to a specific payment. Click on that bill to proceed to the next step. Once you have the bill open, look for the section titled Payment. From there, you will find all the actions you can take regarding payments. Click on Payment to see more details. This is a good chance to confirm everything is in order before moving on. Once you're double-checked and ready to go, look to the top. You'll see an Options button. Click on Options, and it will present you with a variety of actions. Look for Send Remittance among them. Select Send Remittance. This is going to initiate the process of sending out your payment notification, which is what remittance advice essentially is. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the recipient's email address. Make sure you have the correct email address of the person you want to send the remittance advice to. Carefully type it in and make sure there are no typos before sending. Once you've ensured the email is accurate, simply hit the Send button to dispatch the remittance advice to the recipient. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to send remittance advice in Xero. If you follow these steps, you'll find that this process is both straightforward and efficient, helping you keep all your transactions well organized. Happy accounting, and I'll see you in the next video.